Hi guys, welcome back to Symbolic Logic Part 2. We are taking reference of Symbolic Logic 5th edition by Irving M. Kopi from University of Hawaii. In the part 1, we have seen about what is the link between language and logic and how logic is evolved due to language. Today, let's see about logic. So guys, what is logic? In simple words, we can say logic is the science of reasoning. As of definition, the study of logic is the study of methods and principles to distinguish good and bad argument. As we seen before, we need this artificial language logic because it is objective, clear, compact, and free from all the defects of natural language. So, we have seen what is logic. Next, let's see who is the logician. Logician is someone who studies or is skilled in logic. For example, you guys are logician too, since you are studying about the logic. So, let's see what is the task of logician. The task of logician is just like that of a mathematician. All they do is create a method or technique for a formula. This second order inquiry and first order inquiry are nothing but the two types of logic. So in logic, we have two types. Let's see what are the two types in the next slide. The two types of logic are classical logic and symbolic logic. Classical logic. What is classical logic? Classical logic deals with arguments based on the relations of classes of objects to one another, whereas symbolic logic is built on fundamental logical connectives. Let's see what is this classical logic and what are the basic concepts comes under this classical logic in the next part of the video.